Imagine when I was in Kansas and it didn't even snow like this, but it just snowed just a little bit where it was too cold and too much snow. And I remember getting thrown off the road driving my car, man. And I got thrown off the road 5 times, man. Got back on the road, thrown back off the road. Then I got thrown into a ditch. I couldn't get out. They had to come pull a trucker wrecker had to come pull me out the snow, man. And it wasn't even nothing like this. So I know, man, people be going through it. Damn. Cold, your fingers hurting, your toenails hurting, your knees cold, your face is just then froze up.
Your nose always smelling that cold air.
Man, damn.
It's not no white fluffiness. You see the landlines?
The landlines. I ain't never seen landlines get covered with snow.
Well, I came from a.
Oh, so you seen landlines get covered with snow?
Not like that.
I didn't think that was possible. I thought it just fall right off.
But it's sticking.
Yeah, I was ready, they didn't have my back. They were petty, I stayed in my bed. On that petty, I brought it right back. Make a vet.
You gotta make the same face as me.
Do I?
Yeah, you're like. Come on.
I feel like.
Come on, man. Shit. Lock in. No, hell no. How many people they be doing them thumbnails? See, that's what they be doing. I'm trying to tell you. My bad, y'all. We forgot we were recording, but look, man. The key comment. Gang, you know what I'm saying? You're not part of that. Join the gang. Roll to 100K, man. We in this thing, man. If y'all want to see more of her content, is down below as well. Go to her channel. She make good content as well. Mm-hmm. Today, we reacting to what today is. Today's Monday, and we're reacting to footage of a blizzard from Lake. How you say that word? Oh shit!
Erie?
I think so. Erie. So this is a massive winter storm, flooding, freezing, and you know what I'm saying. Oh, and it look like in New York and what's it?
You really?
I dropped out of school and shit. But yeah, man, this Lake Erie, man, they say it was real bad. Somebody sent me this to react to, so we just gonna react to it, y'all. But join the family, join the gang. Grandma doing 100 years in jail. Right now, Grandma is in jail. Her ass is in the slammer yard for twerking outside McDonald's for 2 large Sprites with no ice. So let's get Grandma out of jail and leave a like on the video. Join the family, join the gang. Roll to 100K, baby.
Woo.
That's right. All right, let's check this thing out. World's most dangerous weather and disasters and conditions.
Already. You see that tree? Covered. Ooh.
Lake Erie, December 25th, 2022.
That dirty snow.
Damn, this was a couple of days ago.
Bruh, that's that. Ooh. No, not.
Damn.
I think it's.
Today, January the 9th. It's a couple of days ago. This was like 10 days ago. If I did my math correctly.
I'm just gonna say
Yeah. This shit is crazy.
But that's that dirty snow. That's how you know they had it bad.
Damn.
It's not no white fluffiness. You see the landlines?
The landlines. I ain't never seen landlines get covered with snow.
Well, I came from a.
Oh, so you seen landlines get covered with snow?
Not like that.
I didn't think that was possible. I thought it just fall right off.
But it's sticking. It looks like the snow's sticking. Ooh, no. Bruh, imagine it's so cold outside and there's a flood. You walk in and your feet are cold at the same time.
Yeah, man.
Oh no.
I feel bad for the people that were homeless or people that didn't die. I wonder, hey, how many people didn't die? Did they have like a thing on here with how many people died? Can't you like look it up on your phone? Cause man, I feel bad, bro. I want to send my condolences out to anybody that died. Cause this gives me like the tingles, man. I feel real bad right now. getting the tingles from this video.
As the death toll from the western New York snowstorm
There
grows, thousands more people will be without electricity on Christmas.
No, he talking about electricity, baby. He ain't talking about people that died yet now.
Okay.
Erie County,
this is called
where
what?
thousands remain without
Shit.
The blizzard?
All of my niggas in the hood, all my niggas in jail, all my niggas at grandma's house gotta abort, man.
Was it 2022?
Huh?
This is 2022, right? This video?
Yeah, this was a couple days ago. Not 23, no.
I know, I just saw 1977.
Oh, no. I love you.
electricity and at least 7 people perished
I
during the
late,
Christmas
right?
blizzard. First responders were forced to leave ambulances due to whiteout conditions.
Oh no.
Damn, the first responders had to leave?
It doesn't say. It just says 101
What the fuck? Come
It's
on,
not
man.
saying what I need to.
The fuck?
I think 28 before Christmas blizzard. 28
people?
dead.
28 people died?
Yeah.
Ain't that bad, but man, still 28 people died, man. That's so sad. Y'all comment down below if y'all know any the real number, because I think she looking on Pinterest or something. They ain't talking about nothing. They ain't talking about nothing. Man, this is sad though.
Yeah. This does not look right. Do you know what this is? Climate change?
This is climate change?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We keep polluting into the but there's certain places that are like this though. It's extremely cold and it's by
Further
water.
lake effect snowfall is expected to fall on Christmas in western New York, where residents are attempting to dig out from several feet of snow. At least 7
Man,
people
who this
have
is riding around in their car? They on point with it.
perished during the winter storm.
Whoever
and
holding
many
this
are
camera is on point with it. Well, whoever getting this camera footage, and this is not a drone, they on point, and I know they cold.
without power in the bitter weather. The worst winter storm in decades, according to officials in western New York, continued on Christmas with blizzard conditions brought on by lake effect snow.
Wow.
That's why their trees look like that, because there's water nearby and it's just gonna freeze everything. Literally.
My sister is turning 16.
Oh, fuck
She's
your
getting
sister.
her license soon. So I'm on my laptop browsing
That's not. That's Latoya. Skip
Who that was?
Latoya. Skipping the ad though.
Also, Latoya? Who's Latoya?
I grew up watching her
Oh.
before she,
Where she was?
she got a lot of stuff did, and then she cheated on her husband.
Oh, she got her ass dead, didn't cheat on her husband?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, fuck that up. Yeah,
But-
fuck them hoes. Fuck all them
This
hoes.
video's not about it though.
Yeah, we talking about the blizzard.
Yeah, it's more importantly.
Yeah, forget them hoes getting them ass injections, and them mouth injections, and them cheek injections, and them forehead injections. Fuck all them hoes.
Don't forget removing fat from your cheeks too. That's a new thing now.
What the fuck? God, leave, man. This world is getting
Your
ridiculous.
face is more
I thought the blizzard was bad. I thought blizzards and this winter thing is
pupil
bad.
removal.
Now we talking about females. Fuck.
Let's back to the video.
Lake Erie. This is sad.
That's feet. I don't even
Bro,
have
these
much
are
that is.
cars. Oh, that's an
That's
RV.
thick. That's thick in that snow.
Who, man,
That's a generator right there.
whoever this is walking through this is a real nigga.
Bro, there's no electricity. Look at that
A
generator.
generator covered in snow. Do you see? There's a whole RV
Covered.
Covered.
But it makes sense because they're right by the coast, so it's so much wind naturally. So all that
Roads
snow's
and
gonna be
houses in
somewhere.
Erie County,
Oh,
including
I
thought it was a
Watertown,
dog. I was like,
Pembroke,
how's the dog
and
gonna do his
Buffalo, New York,
business?
were effectively buried by several feet of snow.
No.
Officials said in a tweet on Sunday that the Buffalo airport will be closed until Tuesday
knew
due
it.
to hazardous conditions for aviation travel
This
caused
isn't
by
New
strong
York, you know?
winds, snowdrifts,
just
and
upper
reduced
part.
visibility. Erie County Executive Mark Polenkars compared the snowfall to the blizzard of 1977 and said it
Yeah.
was worse than the record
That's what I
blizzard
was
in
saying.
November during a
I was making sure this was 222.
This is so sad.
22.
Press conference on Christmas morning.
This happens in Canada too, because they're so way up there. You know where Alaska is?
Yeah.
Yeah, then there's Canada, and then Buffalo is kind of like meeting. It's like in that same region of Canada, but like they're parted from the ocean. It's like one of those places sticking out towards the water. No. This gives me
According
like...
to Erie County officials, for more blizzard-related fatalities were reported on Christmas, increasing the total number of fatalities from the winter storm in western New York to at least 7. Some victims were discovered in automobiles, while others were discovered frozen in odd situations.
Yeah, bro, they say they found a lady froze to death in her car. They found a guy froze to death. I seen it on Twitter. And those are like the only 2 deaths that I heard about, but I didn't know it was from this blizzard though. But now that I see the name of the blizzard, now they were talking about this blizzard. So yeah, they I think it was 2 ladies they found that was froze to death. Yeah, that's so sad.
Because people lose fingers and toes if you're not keeping them warm.
God.
So eventually,
at least 21 fatalities nationwide are being attributed to weather-related traffic accidents and exposure during the winter storm that hit over Christmas week.
Did they know it was coming? That's what I want to know. Do they know? Because normally you get warnings before something hits. I'm good.
What was
Who
that?
is that? Who?
Gotta be white people. Gotta be white people. They don't give a damn. They don't give a damn. It's a -35.
They don't care if others are in trouble.
We still out there.
Driving is still prohibited in Erie County on Sunday following 48 hours of snowfall at up to 3 inches per hour.
Bruh, so this was building over time? Is that what they're saying? This built over time. Because every Sunday it would rain it would snow for 5 hours. Like, what? So that's why they don't have determined death yet, you know? Because it's a whole blizzard.
Canada's Niagara region proclaimed a state of emergency. Around 10,000 houses lost electricity on Saturday night due to the snow, which also left some inhabitants on Lake Erie without homes and left passengers and truck drivers stranded.
Imagine that freeze that we had here. But worse over there. No electricity. Electricity puts on the heat.
We thought it was bad over here in Texas when that
y'all
stuff
can't handle that. They can handle weather like that, but not to that extent. You know? There's a limit to how much you can handle.
Damn, man.
Blowing snow, whiteout conditions, and at times zero visibility affected the southern half of the area worst over the course of 2 days with no respite. Travel to the southern parts of the region, particularly to the
Shout out to my Cardinal, man. Here, my boy Real when I tell, man. Is that a Cardinal?
Yes.
Damn,
it looks like one.
I ain't never seen a Cardinal till just now. It just look like off the helmet off the NFL team.
Towns of Fort Erie, Waynfleet, and Port Colborne should be avoided at all costs by residents and visitors.
They probably haven't seen the sun in days. Bro, I remember those days.
These camera angles on point though.
I remember those days.
This B-roll on point.
Bro, you have so much snow, you gotta do that. So then you're able to...
Bad storms are common in Fort Erie,
you know how many feet
which is located
that
at the mouth
That's
of Lake.
That's a lot of snow.
Bro, that's like 10 feet.
That's a lot of snow. That make my back hurt looking at that.
The most I've ever seen is 4 or 5 feet.
Hit my back, man. That make my back hurt looking at that. My whole back can start hurting.
But imagine you gotta shovel the crosswalk, your driveway before you even leave to go to work.
Separated
you should be
from
so
Buffalo,
glad you
New
live in
York,
Texas
by a border.
You don't have to
Many
worry about none of
locals
that.
are
You just
aware
have to
of
get
how
into your
be
car and
ready
that's
for blackouts
it.
and know to leave their
But in this
homes
weather, you
early
gotta
if
go
they
into
are
your
near the
car,
water.
turn it on 30 minutes prior so that heat thaws out everything and it's warm by the time you get in there.
Like this.
Yeah, it's
Extreme,
tough.
paralyzing winter event. Oh my god.
The sun's out. I just walked up to my road. That's my road.
So much snow, and it's oh my.
Holy freaking smoly! Oh my god, baby, this is giving me the shivers.
You gotta think about how much they're wearing.
Like, I'm cold right now. This giving me the shivers.
You remember
man.
that one time I came over to your house and it was so cold? I had leggings, pants, something else.
Oh yeah, you had like
I had
five
an
pair of
had
pants
another
on.
shirt, had 2 jackets on, had this on, had that on.
Y'all, this girl had on 10 different outfits. Damn.
Layers. I ain't getting no cold, but you're gonna get cold with all them layers still.
In Fort
Ooh,
Erie,
and it's
Crystal
still
Beach,
wet
and
outside.
other neighboring communities, flooding of
Bruh.
shoreline houses had already started to happen on Friday.
Ooh, that's nasty. Ooh. Oh, you can't even. Oh.
Oh shit. The whole somebody, man, whoever recording is on point with it, man.
Because he knew it was gonna fall
They
off.
caught the whole thing and fell off. Oh shit, baby! Look at the gas station. Oh fuck!
Yeah, it's probably broken.
Daily snowfall totals that are greater than
The
those
wind is
experienced
that
everywhere
Man, people
else.
finna be pulling out loans, real estate loans, insurance claims. Man, it's finna be bad,
America
man.
ain't gonna
in the
pay for
United
nothing.
States are common in the area east
Not
and
all these
southeast
people
of
gonna
Lake
get the help that
Ontario.
they need. Bruh, I can imagine them. I don't even know how long this lasted. It could be like a month. Imagine being in your house every day and it's just cold. More snow, more this. It's getting worse outside for a month. Oh shit.
Syracuse, New York, receives 116 inches, 294 centimeters, or more of lake effect
Oh.
snow year on average from Lake Ontario.
Oh, too much. Can't see nothing. Nothing.
Hyundai Santa Fe versus Honda Passport.
Man, all I can say is hell
Hyundai
no.
Santa Fe.
Just that cold air.
Flooding and everything.
From Buffalo, New York, to Cleveland, Ohio's eastern suburbs, Lake Erie creates a lake effect zone. Lake Erie is unique among the Great Lakes in that it may totally freeze over due to its relatively modest depths.
It's not frozen. See, you can't see nothing, and that's the truck. I know that's the truck. They stuck.
Who the hell would
That's
be,
why.
Who the hell would be out there
Like,
around?
why?
I'd be at the house, man, trying to just survive and, you know, light the lighter or something. Damn, man.
Like your own fireplace. You got one downstairs.
I'm gonna light you up.
Just be quiet.
Lake effect snow occurrences
Rub it
stop when
down.
it freezes over the winter, cutting
Rub
off
it
the
down.
lake's surface's source of moisture. Overall, while snowfall totals in Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio have decreased with warming temperatures, snowfall has increased in northern lake effect zones of the Great Lakes Basin.
That's why nobody be living in those states. I do not miss these days at all.
And shout out to my truckers, man. Shout out to them truckers just trying to make a living, roll through the city. You know what I'm saying? And now they gotta stop. They gotta put that truck in park. Put that big boy in park. Sit there for a couple days. Hopefully you done went to the corner store and stacked up on some Twinkies and some Chex Mix. Because that's it.
Hopefully they still get paid.
That's it now.
But hopefully they still get paid. Because they can't control the weather. Oof. So much snow on there.
The observed increases in lake effect snow have probably been caused by warmer Great Lakes surface water temperatures and thinning Great Lakes ice cover.
You know what that is, baby? It's a snow plower.
Shit.
Can't go nowhere.
Oh my god, bro. Did you see
As
all that
winter
snow?
temperatures increase
Yeah, I know.
and become less conducive to snow, areas in further southern lake effect zones may see lake effect rain instead of lake effect snow.
And silly, look at the snowdrift down here. Okay, let me go down. I'll see how high this goes. Don't
Oh boy. I could just imagine when I was in Kansas and it didn't even snow like this, but it just snowed just a little bit where it was too cold and too much snow. And I remember getting thrown off the road driving my car, man, and I got thrown off the road 5 times, man. Got back on the road, thrown back off the road. Then I got thrown into a ditch. I couldn't get out. They had to come pull a trucker wrecker had to come pull me out the snow, man. And it wasn't even nothing like this, so I know, man, people be going through it. Damn. Cold, your fingers hurting, your toenails hurting, your knees cold. Your face is just then froze up.
Your nose always smelling that cold air.
Man, bro. So shout out to the people, man. Shout out to the people, man. Shout out to everybody, man, that went through the hard times, man. Cause this is bad. I'm cold right now looking at this. I'm cold.
Doesn't look like it's
Like, all
letting up.
jokes aside, this is like one of the worst things I've seen this year so far, and the year just started.
Well, this happened last year.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
But I watched it this year though.
I know.
But I watched it this year though.
Yes.
You ain't gonna sit here and argue with me, huh?
But it would be the worst weather for that place to happen in 2022.
Thanks for watching the channel.
I don't know
World is
if
dangerous.
it's better now.
The world
That's
is
what
dangerous.
I'm hoping, that it's better now. That at least some of it's melting. Some of it's there's no blizzard, so that ocean's not acting all crazy.
Shout out to everybody, man. Hope y'all warm now. Hope everything ain't it over with, right?
I don't know.
I hope it's over with.
I hope so too.
I'm cold right now. I'm just watching that. I'm cold, man. My heart goes out to the people that then died, that then lost a family member, that then, that was freezing and it was cold, and I know them hands was hurting, man, because my hand used to hurt real bad in that snow. So I wanted to send my love to y'all, man. I really think the government got something to do with these weather machines or something, man. Because it shouldn't be like that, man. It shouldn't be sunny over here, snowing like over there, man. It shouldn't be like that, man. It should be like that.
If anything, they should have evacuated if they knew it was going to be that bad. But it's a blizzard, so it builds over time. They didn't know how worse it was going to get.
But y'all comment down below. Let us know what y'all think, man. Y'all want us to react to more stuff like this, more insane weather conditions and stuff like that. Comment down below. Comment down below where you from. Comment down below if you were actually a part of this, if you have a family member in this, or if you experienced something like this. It'll be good for y'all to share y'all information in the comments down below. No negative energy. If you dislike it, if you hating, if you didn't like the video, sorry, buddy. We still love you though. And be sure to join the family, join the gang. Road to 100K. And amen. Go down below, follow the Twitch, going live soon. Her channel is linked down below as well. And amen. We love y'all.
Stay safe and
Stay safe
warm.
out there. And stay
Hopefully
safe
you
and
stay
stay warm.
warm. Yeah.
Please. And amen. Block out negative people, negative energy, negative vibes. And remember to always stay
Positive.
and amen. We'll catch y'all in the next video.
Yeah.